All right, we've had a long day of fishing today. We've caught all kind of different species, spades, just yellowfin, whiting, maybe a baby pompano, all type of stuff. But we came to do what today, Zach?
Catch a shark.
And we did what?
Caught a shark. And saw a guy get his finger bit by that exact same shark that I caught.
So that's it. Now we're gonna do, I think we're gonna go get some ice cream. Hope y'all enjoy the video.
Oh, and I got ice cream before, and guess what I did? I traded it in for a shark. So, it's a win-win. Hey, welcome back to CMC Live. Today, we're going shark fishing. I just want to say thanks to Costa. You have spectacular sunglass wear. Oh well, we're catching bait right now, and we're gonna catch the tiny fish to catch the big fish to catch the really big fish. Sharks. I like shark. I bet you too. This is what we came for. We caught some big ones.
We had to make a little pit stop before we go fishing. Necessities of life.
Frappes.
Frappes. Come on, Zach. Oh, watch the rod, watch the rod. Tybee Pier Pavilion. Ooh, sun going out. That's where we're going to catch a shark. Catching more bait.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, I see the blacktip.
Can I keep that one? Nope. Why?
Too small.
Damn it. This one's bigger than that one.
So we've been shark fishing. Haven't really caught anything. Now it's lunchtime, officially break time.
Every time you come to Huckaboos, get a Shirley Temple. Or anywhere that you get a Shirley Temple. They're super good.
It's a big old fish. All right, go over the pole. Go over the next one. All right. Go over here. Right there we go. There you go. Now we get. Pull it back. There you go. You got it. Right there.
Yeah, that right-handed reel is a little different, buddy.
You got it, Zach. Start reeling. Start reeling. Start reeling. Start reeling. All right, back up. Got a chair behind you.
That was a good trade.
Memorial Day weekend.
We just went to the Sugar Shack, get some dang good ice cream, and just hit that like button and subscribe.